In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your Dyson product warranty. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website and then click on Register Machine up top over here. And then in here, you'll have to put in your details first. So it's going to be your email, your name, your surname, as well as your password you want to use for your account. And then whenever you do this for the first time, your account will be created and it's going to look something like this. It's going to say your details. And then the second tab is going to say which Dyson machine do you own, okay? So when it says this here, you'll have to basically fill in the required fields. You'll have to put in and enter your serial number over here, and this is the example of how that looks like. And also you will have to basically enter in the date of your purchase. So in case you need help on locating the serial number, you can click on over here, and that's going to allow you to basically see where you can find it on a specific product. And over here it says if you don't have the serial number at hand, you can basically activate your warranty later. Okay, so to do this here inside your account, let me actually sign in very quickly. I'm going to show you how to do this. There we go. As you can see, this is going to be a kind of your dashboard over here. You can then just go ahead and again click on the register your machine up here. And when you click that, it's going to take you to the same page here where you can basically put in again same things as earlier. Click on activate, and then your warranty is going to be activated. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.